How to add a bank account on Fiverr. In this video, I'm going to be quickly teaching you on how you're going to be able to add your bank account on Fiverr in the easiest and most simplest way. So to do this for yourself, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to your Fiverr. Now, this is what our Fiverr looks like. Now, from here, you're going to go over to My Businesses. You're going to come to Earnings. And once you come to your earnings, you're simply going to go over to Manage Payout Methods. Now, as you can see, I already have a payout method added, but I'm going to go over to Add New Payment Method. And here we get these two options. So we have Payoneer or we have bank transfer. Now, obviously, to add a bank account, you're simply going to go over to bank transfer, choose the currency you want to go ahead and export it in. So I'm going to go with USD and we're going to click on continue. Once we do that, as you can see, it's going to go ahead and send us a code onto our email. Now, once you have verified everything, it's going to say that we're going to take you to Payoneer. So what you do is just come over to Payoneer. Over here, if you have a Payoneer account, just go ahead and log yourself in. But if you don't, they're going to take you through the whole setup process. And once all of that is done, you can simply add in your bank account to your Payoneer, connect it to your Fiverr, and you are good to go. So that is basically how easy and simple it is to go ahead and add a bank account to Fiverr in the easiest and most simplest way. So thank you for watching this video all the way to the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.